You don't need a second job to make extra money. You just need some better strategies. If you want some extra cash but you feel too busy, then this video is for you. This video is going to help you to understand some of the easiest ways to make money on the side while working full time. Make sure you stay tuned and keep watching this video because I'm going to share some practical ideas that you can start right away. Now, before we get started, can I ask one small favour? If you like what I do here, can you please hit the subscribe button? That keeps me energised to bring you more content. Thank you very much. Let's get into it. So let's begin with number one, which is to use AI and simple online services to create real side income while working full time. So let's talk about how you can actually make some extra money without burning out after a long work day. You can start by solving small business problems instead of trying to build big, complicated businesses. Now, many beginners out there make the mistake of chasing trends instead of real customer demands and real customer needs. I want to help you focus on practical income skills like content writing, customer automation, or even simple marketing help that you can actually provide. You can find demand by just searching freelancing marketplaces like Fiverr.com and Upwork.com and just filtering by the most ordered services on these websites. Now, if you see some gigs with hundreds of reviews, that usually means people are already paying for that kind of help and that kind of service. So you can use AI tools to actually work faster during your limited free hours in the evenings or even on the weekends. I suggest using OpenAI through ChatGPT to generate first drafts or some marketing content. For example, you can try prompts like write friendly Instagram posts for a local coffee shop promoting new drinks. That's a simple prompt that you could actually use. Then you could just edit the output with your human element to sound more natural and local to that actual business. I recommend adding some real business details like location names, product names, or even some seasonal events as well. If you don't edit the AI content, customers may notice that it sounds a bit too robotic. So you want to add some human elements to the AI content. So here is something else that you can do if you want to make some extra money with design services. You can help small businesses create marketing visuals using Canva, and you can use the free version because it is very beginner friendly. Let me walk you through a simple workflow. You can just open up Canva and choose a social media template, and there are lots of them to choose from. You can just add a few business logos and add some promotional text, and then just download as a few images. There's a simple workflow that you can actually follow and get started on right away. So for example, a local hair salon may need some weekly promotional content for discounts or even new hairstyles that they've got. You can charge monthly retainer fees instead of a one-time design for jobs for some steady income. Now you can also help businesses automate their customer support to help them save time with responses using some chatbot tools. Customers hate waiting for answers about shipping times, refund policies, or even appointment availability. So this is where you can step in and help them. So I want to help you to solve this problem using simple tools like Zendesk or Tidio or even ManyChat. These are some popular chatbots. So you can just collect customer questions from business websites and build AI response templates using these chatbot apps. If you feel a bit unsure, just start by helping just one business test automated replies before selling the full service as an AI solution. Now you can also make some extra money helping online creators with content planning and some idea generation as well. Many creators out there really struggle with consistency rather than creativity. You can use researching tools like TubeBuddy to find trending topics for YouTube channels and videos. Then you can use AI to generate video titles, good hooks, and outlines for a video. For example, a cooking creator might need 20 to 30 recipe video ideas per month. So you can actually sell content planning packages through social media or even on freelancing websites like Fiverr and Upwork.com. Now, if you want long-term transformation, I'll give you a simple growth strategy. You can build a simple portfolio using website builders like Wix or even Squarespace or WordPress. So I want to share one important rule. You want to avoid trying to sell too many services at once. I recommend to just focus on one income skill for about 60 days, and then collect some testimonials and then slowly raise your prices after that. So you want to just pick one thing and get really good at it. Now, if you stay consistent and you learn from the feedback and you improve your services and your skills and your offers over time, and you help businesses solve those real problems and take away those pain points, you can actually slowly build a reliable side income over time with these kind of services. Let's now move on to number 2, which is to build income by selling digital, organization and automation services. So let's talk about helping businesses organize and automate their operations, because messy workflows cost companies and businesses money. You can make side income by helping those small brands manage tasks like scheduling, email follow-ups and automation, and even customer service and customer tracking. Many owners feel very overwhelmed because they run marketing, they do sales and customer support on their own. So I want to help you to solve this by offering simple organization and automation setups that you can do for clients. So you can find your clients by searching business professionals on LinkedIn and just sending short, helpful messages that you can actually do for them. Now, if you struggle with the outreach side of things, just start with local businesses that you may already know. Now, you can use productivity automation tools to help businesses save daily work time. I suggest using Trello to build simple task boards for clients who don't know how to really well organize their projects. For example, a marketing agency might need content approval workflows and posting schedules. So let me walk you through a simple service idea that you can do. You can set up boards, you can create task templates, and then charge setup plus monthly maintenance fees. So there's something simple that you can do. So I want to share a common mistake that you want to avoid. You don't want to overbuild complicated systems. Small businesses prefer simple and very usable solutions. So here is something else that you can do by helping businesses improve customer communication as well. You can help them write professional emails using AI writing assistants from Grammarly. If you want, you can also create email templates for order confirmations, welcome messages, or even appointment reminders as well. So let me break it down for you. You want to collect business email types, then you want to generate some good drafts with AI. You want to customize the tone for that particular brand, and then just deliver some very ready to use templates to the business very quickly. So that's what you want to be doing. Now, if you feel a bit unsure, you want to start with just 10 or 11 email templates and sell them as a starter package. So you can also make money helping online stores or e-commerce web stores improve payment and checkout systems. Many businesses actually lose a lot of customers because payment steps feel very confusing or they're a bit too slow. So this is where you can step in and help them. I recommend learning basic payment setups using Stripe documentation guides or even PayPal. For example, you can help e-commerce owners connect payment forms, test checkout flows, and even just check mobile phone usability. You don't have to learn how to code, just help them identify the friction points and the bottlenecks in their business, and report any improvements that they can give to any of their developers. Now, if you want another income path, you can help creators manage their social media marketing workflows. I suggest using content scheduling tools like Hootsuite or Buffer or even Later.com to actually help businesses post consistently to get more online presence. You can search for clients selling handmade products on Etsy because many sellers out there don't like social media management. You can offer monthly packages including caption writing, posting schedules, and even hashtag research and ad copy as well. And you can even put videos in the mix as well. So if you are ready, start by helping just one seller improve their profile consistency. So now I'm going to give you a longer term growth strategy to help you. You can track your work results using simple analytics reports and save screenshots as proof of improvement. Now, if you want to scale this further, just build a portfolio website showing client before and after results using website builders like Wix or even Squarespace. So I want to share a simple rule. You want to avoid trying to sell too many services early. Just focus on one simple service and get really good at it. Collect some testimonials and get some success stories, then you can start increasing your pricing as your skills and your confidence begins to grow. Let's now move on to number 3, which is to make money by selling simple digital products and AI generated knowledge content. So let's talk about making some money by selling digital products instead of trading your time for money. You can create simple resources like templates, planners, guides, mini courses, checklists, or even mini ebooks. That can solve a small but annoying problem or take away a pain point for any given audience. Now, many beginners out there think digital products must be very complicated, but this is not true. So I want to help you think very simple. The best products usually help people save some time, save some money, reduce their stress, or take away some confusion. Now, you can actually research what people need by browsing marketplaces like Gumroad or Etsy, or you can use apps like Google Trends, which will tell you the search interest for any given topic over time, or you can go to Answer the Public. So if you go to Google and type in Answer the Public, this will tell you what people are asking for and searching for on Google in any niche. So those are some useful tools for you to use. Now, if you feel a bit stuck, just look at the best-selling products and copy the structure that you find on Gumroad or Etsy or even on Amazon. But don't actually copy the content. You need to create the content yourself. So you can actually use AI to help you create digital product content much faster than writing everything from scratch. I recommend using OpenAI to generate some outlines, some guides, or even some worksheets. For example, you could create a simple 30-day productivity planner for busy working professionals. So let me walk you through the process. Just ask the AI to generate some daily task templates. Then you want to organize them into some Google documents. Then just format them very nicely in Canva, and you can do this in the free version. Now, you don't have to be an expert writer here at all. Just a good organizer of some useful and practical information that will give people an outcome or a good result. Now, I want to share a common mistake to help you. People overthink the design when buyers care more about the usefulness and what they're going to get out of it. So just keep the design very simple, but make sure the content is packed with good knowledge that can help them get a good result and achieve a good outcome. So here is something else that you can do by creating business templates that people can actually reuse. And you can design social media content packs using Canva because it already has lots of ready-made layouts and templates that you can easily edit and start using. Now, if you actually want to, you can build Instagram caption bundles for small business owners. So you can just sell packs like 50 restaurant promotion captions or something like 30 motivational fitness captions. So you could just sell a simple package like that. I suggest testing pricing between $10 and $50 to start with for those beginner products. If you're struggling with some ideas, just search trending hashtags on Instagram and TikTok to see what businesses are actively promoting. You can also make money selling educational knowledge content in niche markets as well. So I want to help you to think about problems that people search for online. So you can use keyword research tools like Ahrefs or even Google autocomplete suggestions. So for example, you can create guides about starting an online business, studying productivity, or even something like learning marketing basics. You can then just package that knowledge into short PDF guides or even mini courses and sell them on digital marketplaces like Gumroad or even payhip.com. Now, if you feel a bit unsure about what to actually write, just solve one beginner question step by step in your guide. So just go to Google and look for questions that people are asking in the autocomplete or even in the people also ask section on Google. Now, if you want another income opportunity, you can sell AI generated content bundles to other content creators out there. Many creators actually struggle to stay consistent with their posting, so you can step in and help them. You can create packs containing video hooks, titles, and even script ideas that they can work with. I suggest using YouTube research tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ to find some popular video formats to do this research. So let me break it down for you. You want to research those trending videos, just extract the content structure, and then just generate some variations using AI. And then you can sell that as a content package. Now you want to avoid copying exact titles because originality helps with longer term reputation as well. I'm now going to give you a bit of a longer term transformation strategy. You can actually build a product store using platforms like Shopify or sell directly through social media with a stand store. Now, if you are ready to actually scale this kind of business, you want to create 3 to 5 different digital products instead of just one. So I want to share one simple rule. Beginners often don't do very well because they build products before knowing if there's actually any customer demand. So you want to go and find those problems first and validate the demand before you build any kind of digital product. That way you know people will actually want it because it can solve their problems. So just test ideas by asking people in online communities first. Then create some products based on some real feedback that you are getting from those people that you are talking to. So if you stay consistent with small digital product launches, you can actually slowly build passive style income over time. Wow, that's it for this one. Now, if you're serious about building your online business and creating new online income streams, take the next step now. Click the link below in the description or in the top pinned comment, where you can actually find some free training resources to help you get started right away. These free step-by-step resources are designed to guide you through launching a successful online business and generating new online income streams. So don't wait, take action today. Click the link below and start your journey right now. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It really does energize and motivate me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And if you want to connect on social, you can find me on LinkedIn and Instagram. The links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel, and have an amazing day.